There are many products available to choose 25 tools everyone should own, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 25 tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 20 volts Max XR Brushless Compact Drill Driver Kit. Cordless drills are efficient, powerful, and portable. Not to mention, they can be just plain fun to use. This DeWalt model comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, a charger, and storage case. The compact design can squeeze into tight spaces, and we particularly like its 3-way adjustable LED work light, which is incredibly bright. Number 2. DeWalt 21-piece Impact-Ready Titanium Drill Bit Set. Between the high-quality standards DeWalt products are known for and the titanium coating that makes this set extra durable, you can expect these drill bits to last a long time. Most of the bits in this set have a pilot point tip design, which saves time and helps you get cleaner, more accurate results. Number 3. Bosch GMS120. If you're hanging anything, especially something heavy, you'll need a stud finder to ensure that your item stays securely in place. The Bosch GMS120 is the best stud finder we've tested and was able to locate stud centers within 1/8 of an inch. It can also detect live AC wiring, metal objects, plastic plumbing pipes, and rebar in concrete. Number 4. Estwing Curved Claw Solid Steel Hammer. There are nearly 24 types of hammers out there, but none are as important as your basic curved claw hammer that drives and removes nails. The 13-inch curved claw solid steel hammer from Estwing is made in America and forged in one piece for increased durability. The 16-ounce head weight offers power, and the handle features Estwing's patented shock-reducing grip. Number 5. Estwing Shore Strike Drilling Hammer. A demolition hammer is typically a non-glamorous, no-frills type of tool, and this one proves that you don't need to be flashy or fancy to get the job done and deliver results. The fiberglass handle is comfortable and not too heavy but surprisingly tough. It boasts a forged steel head that can power through your toughest jobs without sustaining wear or damage. Number 6. Channellock Code Blue Wide Jaw Adjustable Wrench. An adjustable wrench saves you space and money because it can tackle various tasks, unlike the fixed jaw of a combination wrench. The Channellock 8 WCB has a maximum jaw capacity of 1.5 inches, with a ruler on the head that takes the guesswork out of setting precise widths. Remember, apply force to the broad edge instead of the movable one to protect your wrench. Number 7. Bosch 18 volts Freak Impact 2-in-1 Impact Driver Kit. Unlike an impact driver that works much like a cordless drill, an impact wrench is designed to tighten and loosen hex head bolts, nuts, and lag screws. But the Bosch Freak is half impact wrench, half impact driver. It has a 1/4-inch hex shank holder compatible with impact sockets or hex driver bits. Thanks to an impressively fast 400 revolutions per minute, the Freak easily removed lug nuts on an F250 with minimal vibration and noise. Number 8. Irwin Vise-Grip 10-inch. Patented in 1924, locking pliers might be more familiar to some people under the brand name Vise-Grip. Decades later, a Vise-Grip is still a reliable choice when you need a powerful grip. Irwin's 10-inch model has a maximum jaw capacity of 17.8 inches and can be used as a wrench or a welding clamp. It also includes a wire cutter, just like the early models. Number 9. Irwin Vise-Grip 10-inch GrooveLock Pliers. Tongue and groove pliers were first invented in 1933. Similar to an adjustable wrench, users can set the jaw capacity for their given need, traditionally by moving a pin along a series of grooves. The Irwin Vise-Grip 10-inch GrooveLock pliers improves on that design with a press and slide button and 16 groove positions. The pliers spread to a maximum of 2.14 inches and hold pipe up to 1.12 inches in diameter. Number 10. Klein Heavy-Duty Long Nose Side Cutting Pliers. Needle nose pliers have long, slender jaws that are ideal for fishing dropped screws out of tight spaces and performing exacting tasks like fastening wire to an Outlet receptacle. This pair from Klein is 8 inches long, features a smooth moving joint, and has comfortable handle pads. The tool also has sharpened edges for snipping wires. Number 11. Knipex Lineman's Pliers. For more serious wire or cable cutting, choose heavy-duty Lineman pliers, which are also called side cutters and Electricians pliers. This 91 2-inch Knipex model cuts soft and hard wire, comes with a built-in crimper, and has a long cutting surface for chopping large bundles. The serrated jaws of Lineman's pliers also provide a secure grip for pulling or holding things in place. Number 12. Klein Multi-Purpose Electricians Tool. Most electrical jobs are made easier with a wire stripper, which deftly removes insulated tubing from wires. Klein's multi-purpose electrician's tool does that and more. It has front, mid, and rear shears, a crimper, and bright, easy-to-read markings. The mid-shear is long enough to cut a standard 12-2 nanometers B building wire, and you can adjust the tension on the pivot for the smoothest cutting. Number 13. Fluke 115 Field Technician's Digital Multimeter. A multimeter combines a voltage tester, a critical safety tool for electrical work, with the ability to measure current, resistance, and more. As soon as you learn how to use one, it becomes a powerful part of your setup. We regularly turn to the highly accurate Fluke 115, which also measures continuity, frequency, and capacitance and can display the minimum, maximum, and average readings on its large screen. Number 14. Irwin 12-inch Metal Combination Square. When you're building shelves and making cuts, ditch your tape measure for the Irwin 12-inch Metal Combination Square. This tool helps you measure, mark out, and test the squareness of corners. For maximum precision, first position your pencil or scratch all, then gently slide the square to the pencil and strike your line. Check the tool's accuracy by marking a line 90 degrees to a straight edge. Flip the square and make another mark next to the first. If the two lines are parallel, the square is, well, square. Number 15. Ryobi 18 volts 1 plus Airstrike brad nailer. This Ryobi was made for DIYers. It's compact for better handling, inexpensive, and quite effective for most of the jobs you'll need it for when fastening together two pieces of softwood. Think during craft projects, when nailing on softwood door and window molding, baseboard and small crown molding, and when attaching shoe molding. Just note you'll need to supply the compatible 18-volt battery separately, because it's not included. Number 16. Skil 71 4-inch corded circular saw. This corded 71 4-inch Skil is a mighty fine machine at a great price. During testing, we discovered it handles nicely, has a dust blower for keeping your cut line tidy, and the 15-amp motor is powerful enough to make deep, accurate cuts with the help of the on-deck laser. Need to brush up on your skills? Check out these 5 tips for making smoother cuts. Number 17. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Cordless Jigsaw DCS 334P1. This jigsaw is all about reliable performance and user-friendly convenience. The compact, streamlined design means it is easy to use just about anywhere. Blade changes are a snap, and the variable speed trigger gives you the ability to achieve the exact speed you need. Number 18. Dremel 3002 28ths Variable Speed Toolkit. Carve, grind, sand, and polish with a rotary tool. The Dremel 3000 comes with 24 accessories that let you do just that, and is designed to make swapping accessories a breeze. The tool ranges in speed from 5,000 to 0.000 revolutions per minute, and you get a case to store everything inside. Number 19. Bosch 5-inch Palm Random Orbit Sander Polisher. A power sander delivers a smoother surface in less time than a manually powered one. A random orbit type, like this Bosch, spins and oscillates between 7,500 and 12,000 oscillations per minute to reduce the chance of leaving swirl marks on your surface. In our test, the corded machine delivered professional-level smoothness and had an excellent dust collection that helps the pad stay cleaner and last longer. Number 20. Warner ProGrip 11 2-inch Full Flex Putty Knife. Putty knives have one of two blades, flexible or stiff. Stiff blades are best for scraping jobs, but for filling holes or other spackling tasks, choose a flexible blade for the smoothest application. This lightweight Warner model features a carbon steel blade that's plenty malleable and a comfortable rubberized grip. Number 21. Hyde 17-in-1 Painter's Multi-Tool. As for a stiff blade putty knife, we like to have a painter's tool on hand because they are efficient. You can use it to scrape surfaces, remove nails, open paint cans, and lock painter's tape in place for clean lines. The Hyde 17-in-1 also has 4 screw bits, 2 wrench sizes, and helps you clean small and large rollers. Number 22. Newborn 930 GTD. Cheap caulk guns are a dime a dozen, but it's worth it to invest in a quality tool like the Newborn 930 GTD that will deliver smooth, consistent pumping action. The 930 GTD holds a standard 10-ounce canister, and the plastic grip is comfortable enough for large jobs like caulking your bathtub. Number 23. Ridgid Power Spin. To clear serious clogs, you need a drain snake, sometimes known as a hand auger. The trigger on the Power Spin Plus sends the 25-foot cable move down pipes between 1.2 and 1.12 inches in diameter as you turn the hand crank. The Power Spin Plus is also power drill compatible, and the 1/4-inch kink-resistant cable can handle up to 500 revolutions per minute. Number 24. Gorilla Carts GOR 4PS. Yes, there are less expensive wheelbarrows, but the GOR 4PS is a versatile, heavy-duty workhorse. The plastic tub rests on a steel frame, holds up to 600 pounds, and flips backward for easy dumping. 4 10-inch tires roll over any terrain and offer more stability than a one-wheeled model. Number 25. DeWalt 20-volt Max Lithium Ion Hedge Trimmer, DCHT820P1. This hedge trimmer is the perfect choice for all users, including people who have never operated a hedge trimmer before. The 7.5-pound frame is lightweight and ergonomically designed, so it's easy to use and maneuver. The 22-inch blade cuts smoothly, even through thicker branches. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.